All right, let me try to explain this for you. If you have any linear equation, what is a solution? Well, we can get one solution by saying let's let x equal 2. And when we do that, it predetermines what the y value will end up being. So when we let x equals 2, we plug it in, we multiply, and we get 7. So we have an input and an output. So this 2 comma 7 is one solution to this equation. Now what happens when x is 4? It's very similar. Y equals 3 times 4 plus 1. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. So in that case, it would be 4 comma 13. And that is another solution to that same line. Okay? Now what we're looking at is that we have not just one equation, but two. So let's look at this. 2x minus y equals 4. And let's do y equals, let me think, 5x, let's say. I'm going to change that 4. Change it to 7. So we have two equations, okay? So in that work that you were given today, you had two equations, and then you had a bunch of points to try. All right, let's try 2 comma 1. Let's try 3 comma 3, just as those two examples. And all we're going to do is this is going to go in for the x, and this is going to go in for the y for each equation. So I'll do the top equation in green, and the bottom equation in blue. So, top equation, 2 times the x value minus y value equals 7. 2 times 2 is 4, minus 1 is 3. Does 3 equal 7? Nope, that's false. I don't have to do anything else. Once I get a false statement, I know that this is not a solution to the system. Okay, let's try 3, 3. Let's try it with the blue. So if I did 3 in for the y equals 5 times 3 minus 19, is this a true or false statement? 3 equals 15 minus 19, 3 equals negative 4. This is also false. So guess what? This is not a solution. It has to be true for both equations. Let's look at a third point, C, and let's go with 2, negative 9. And let's use the second equation. So negative 9 is the y. It's y equals 5x minus 19. So negative 9 equals 5 times x, which is now 2, minus 19. Negative 9 equals 10 minus 19. Negative 9 equals negative 9. This is true. It's true for one equation. Is it true for both equations? So the other equation is, again, I'm going to use green, 2x minus y equals 7. X is 2, so 2 times 2 minus y is negative 9 equals 7. 4 minus a negative is adding, and then 4 plus the 9 is 13. Does 13 equal 7? No, that's false. So even though it's true here, it's false here. 2 negative 9 is not a solution. So hopefully we can find one here. And I won't give you more than 4 choices. Let's try 4, 1. Top equation, 2 times 4 minus 1 equals 7. 8 minus 1, 7 equals 7. True. bottom equation. Y equals 5x minus 19. Y is 1. 5 times 4 minus 19. 1 equals 5 times 4 is 20. Minus 19 is 1. Does 1 equal 1? True. We have true for both equations. 4, 1 is a solution.